What's up everyone, this is Joe again. We are here now outside and we are going to fly this DJI Tello drone, and we are going to test all the settings, all the features it have. Like in here, we are going to test them all, and we are going to start to fly it now. Press take off. Now the drone is staying on its place. There is almost no wind here now, and as you can see, the drone is staying on its place. This drone don't have GPS lock, but as you can see, it's not really moving like it have a GPS lock. It has a sensor facing down. That's why it's staying on its place. Now we are going to fly it away. We are in a low rate at this moment. This drone have 2 rates. We are going to hit record. That's a selfie record, and also the screen. The drone is up there now. We are going to fly it a little. Now we are going to try the 360 record shot. Let's try the 360. This one here. Yes, it's going to orbit around. Not orbit, but turn. The drone turns 360 and shoots video. The video of this drone is wobbling, I think because of the propeller. This has a lot of damage when it crashed. And then let's try flip this one here. Yes. Put it down a little bit so that you can see how it flips. It can flip to any direction you want, even in a slant direction. See? Whoa. Good. Now we are going to exit, and let's try another mode. Let's do this circle. Wait, let's go to, let's try this here somewhere, because this is going to orbit around us. You have to go to a very spacious place. Let's try, and where is that? Here, circle. Yes, now it's circling around us. The drone is circling around me, but the camera is now not facing to me. It's not really, I don't know where it's looking at now, but it's not looking at me. But It's great without GPS. It's very stable. As you can see there, the drone is staying on its place. And then we're going to try another, let's try the bounce. This one here, the bounce. What it's going to do. Oh. What's maybe this is to play to your dog. That's why it's bouncing. I'm not doing anything, as you can see there. It's bouncing on itself. Okay, let's exit the bouncing mode, and then we're going to try another picture here. And no, we're going to try up and away here, up and away. Let's see what it's going to do. Yes, the drone is going to fly away, but not so far. Don't do that indoor, because you are going to hit the wall. And then we're going to bring back the drone. Now we are going to try the second rate. We are going to try the second rate, the fast. Now it's in the fast mode. We are going to see how fast it is. Whoa, really fast, man. It's like it have a GPS. When you let go of the joystick, the drone immediately stop. As you can see there, I will follow it. It has a brake. It looks like it has a brake. Whoa, as you can see. Let's try it again. It has a brake, man. Very cool drone. Very fast. The battery is almost empty. We're going to land it because we're going to try the hand land. Yes, confirm. Oh, maybe push it a little down. Hand land, confirm. There. It's going to land. Okay, it landed in my hand. Warning, drone. Let's try the other, this one here, the throw and go. Let's try this throw and go. I think it's not going. We have not tested the throw and go. Maybe the battery is out of juice. Battery is yellow. Don't know if it's still going to fly. Try again. The throw and go. Throw and go. It's not going to fly because maybe the battery is out. The juice in the battery is out. Let's try to fly it again. It's still in the fast. Maybe it's because we are in the fast and we are going to go to the low rate and see if we can use that settings. Okay, confirm. There. Let's try it again. Toss and go. Well, not really going to go to toss and go. Well, we're going to Fly it again. I cannot test the throw and go, guys. I don't know, maybe the battery is out of juice. I will try to charge this and try the throw and go next time. Battery is red. Low battery warning as soon as possible. Okay, the drone is now landing on itself. We are going to land it. Stop. Land now. There. Critical battery. That's it for now, guys. This is the DJI Tello drone. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you again on my next video.